Hey y'all, it's Melissa with the Bickums over at Small Town Wreath Shop. This is part 3 of working on our grapevine. Alright, first we cleaned our grapevine up, got all the little straggling, little squiggly things that were straggling. Okay, and then we put our greenery on. Then, part 2, we had my husband Craig come on and he made the bow and put my bow on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some florals. And y'all, like I said, I'm here at Small Town Wreath Shop. We're located in Tylertown, Mississippi. And we do sell supplies. So if you're looking for some wreath making supplies, you want to get started, or you need some more to add to your collection, look no further than us. We got what you need. Now I'm trying to get this all situated. I thought I saw one of my hairs on it. Let me get that. That is weird. I don't know what that is. I thought it was a piece of hair, but it's not. Okay, y'all. So I just broke this off this big stem. Look, it comes in, these big stems come in different sections. This one's got 3 sections. I broke one of my sections off. Here we are. You see, now I'm just going to dip it in my glue. Y'all remember I like Gorilla Glue. You can find it at Walmart. And this is just a plain old little electric skillet that you can find on Amazon or at your local Walmart. Okay. There's one. Now let's put another one. Okay, just rip that right off that stem. See, just ripped it right off. And y'all, all this is wired, so just take your hand and just kind of work with it, because it needs some shape, y'all. Bring it to life. Alright, I think I'm going to put this one right up here, y'all. That's where I think I'm going to go in with that one. So let me see here. Get my glue strings. And take and shove her right on in there. And y'all see how that's just layering up really good. It's looking really good. Alright, now we got this one last piece. Now remember, when we started, this bush looked like this bush. It was, like I said, in 3 sections. So now we're going to cut this last section off. It's not hard to cut off at all. You can get these cutters. They're cobalt. You can find them at Lowe's, or I guess Home Depot maybe. That's what I use. They work great. And we're just going to work with this. Bring it to life. Let it live a little. Alright, now I'm going to take and I'm going to bring this piece down here, y'all. So let me go ahead and get my glue. I'm going to need to put a little glue in my glue pot. I'm getting kind of lower than I like to be. Alright, y'all. Alright, there we go. Now I want to build out over here some. you see how we don't really have anything over here? I want to take and I want to build out some. So here we go. We're going to work with that for a little bit. Add a little bit more greenery, y'all. And see how we had all those ficus leaves right there? It just kind of softens that. This was my greenery bush that we have at Small Town Wreath Shop. Y'all, we sell finished wreaths and the wreath supplies. So if you need a finished wreath, one that's already made, we have those too, y'all. I'm just pulling a few of the, I want this one to be shorter. So y'all, I just cut it shorter and tore off some of the little petals. Our little greenery things. Okay. And y'all, Craig's gonna probably fuss because I'm kind of messing up his bow, but I can't help it. That's just how it is when you trying to get your greenery and stuff around. You have to kind of lift it up and get it in there. Alright, yeah, that's looking good. I like it.
Gotta like what you make.
Yeah. And y'all, that's right. Just like Craig just said, you need to like what you make. It's important that, you know, because I know sometimes when I make something, I'm just not feeling it. And you can usually tell through my face that I'm not feeling it. Alright. See how this piece is long? I'm just going to take and I'm going to cut it off. And then I'm just going to pull some of those sprigs. And I'm going to put a little more around over here. Okay. It's looking good, y'all. It's looking real good. I think I might put one more piece right here. I kind of want to get rid of some of these leaves. See how it looks all jumbled up right here? Can y'all see that? I don't like that. So I'm going to take and I'm going to cut off a little piece of leaves. I like that better. And this one's got a little glue on it, but that's okay. Just let that hot glue go ahead and get hard and pull it right on off. Alright, y'all. Here we go in with another piece. Now, y'all, we come on, we put out a schedule on the book base, as my husband says, on Sunday afternoons usually. And we like to go live on that platform, making wreaths and doing, you know, quick little things like that. So try to catch us over there sometime. We have just over 22,000 followers on that platform, and they love to welcome the newbies. Y'all, that is turning out so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Alright, I'm going to cut one more little piece of this. I'm just going to put it right there. This bow was almost too big. I think I'm going to add a little bit more. I think I'm going to take the top out of this one real quick. Get my handy dandy cutters. And you see, I'm just going to cut this top section out on this one. Okay. Because I want a little more, I just want a little more down here too, you know. I just think it needs that. So here we go. I'm adding more flowers. I love me some flowers, y'all. And pink. Oh, I love pink. The color pink. Pink roses. Those knockout roses are so pretty to me. Alright, y'all. Now look at that. Ain't that cute as can be? I am just really happy with how this one turned out, y'all. Can y'all see it good? Y'all, easy breezy. Easy breezy peasy. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add another piece of stem of greenery. Y'all don't tell nobody. I think it needs one more down here. I keep on, y'all. I keep on, and I'm going to be used all that whole fern up. And I thought I wasn't going to need the whole fern. Oh, well. Don't that look better with that little piece of fern sticking out there, though? I think it does. I really do think it does. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all... Oops. Okay. I hope y'all have gotten some value out of this video. And I hope y'all have enjoyed it. If y'all did, give me a thumbs up. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I sure do appreciate it. And y'all, I'll be back again another time making another easy project. Y'all, anybody can, don't feel like you can't do this, because even if you don't make wreaths for a living or whatever, you can do this. Grapevines are very easy. I used to be really intimidated by them, but they're really easy. A lot of it, y'all, is just practice. It really is just practice. And keep watching those videos. Alright, y'all. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.